Alright, it is Tuesday, January 7th, 2020 at 3:20 p.m. Alright, 2020, here we go again with more earthquakes. This is earthquakes for the Puerto Rico region. There was a 6.4 magnitude earthquake 8 kilometers south of India's Puerto Rico about 11 hours ago. I'm just going over the whole summary of today as so far of 3 o'clock today, 3:21. So as you see here, look at how many earthquakes there's at the bottom part of this island map. There's 6.4 earthquake. There's a 5.6. There's another 5.6. There's a 5.0. So there's a lot of earthquakes happening. Let's take a look at the U.S. Tsunami Warning Center. There's no tsunami warning, advisory, watch, or threat with any of these earthquakes. But it shows you how strong the earthquake was. It was a magnitude 6.6 when it first struck in Puerto Rico, and then it was downgraded to a 6.4. Let's take a look at Twitter. It says here, I just woke up to a phone call about the 6.4 magnitude earthquake in Puerto Rico. Power is out to the entire island. Puerto Rico has had the following earthquakes in the last 2 hours: a 6.0, a 5.6, a 5.0, a 4.2, a 4.5, and a 4.3. So the island is still getting aftershocks even after the magnitude 6.4 earthquake. Let's take a look at a picture here. Look at this. Look at the disaster happening because of this earthquake. The building is just crumbling. People sitting outside because they're afraid of being inside. Also, the U.S. airlines are offering waivers after the Puerto Rico earthquake. Your change fee and your fare difference will be waived by the following airlines: American Airlines, Delta Airlines, JetBlue, Southwest, Spirit, and United. So that's nice of them to do that, to waive those fees. Apparently, destructions of the 6.6 earthquake brought by the south of Puerto Rico, and it says here, we are scared. Let's take a look at the pictures here. Look at that, the building right in the middle of the road. A store crumbled, falling apart. Buildings just collapsing under the sheer magnitude of the earth shaking, and buildings just crumbling. Look at this. The left side of the building fell. The right side of the building is crumbling. It's just disaster. Okay, so the power went out of the island when the earth started shaking in the 6.4 magnitude earthquake as a failsafe. The power company has a failsafe. Once there's a certain amount of shaking, the power will cut off to the entire island. So the power has been out, I think, over 11 hours now, and I don't know when the power is going to come back to the island, but just letting everybody know that we're praying for you. Please stay safe out there in Puerto Rico. Do the best you can. Make sure you have the kits you usually have for hurricanes. Use that for this disaster, basically, because it's just unprecedented that you have to use the things you usually use for hurricane for an earthquake. But you do the best you can with the kit for food in case of emergency with a power outage now, just like a hurricane if the power goes out. Candles, the food you need. Make sure you have the things you need for your children. Just praying for all of you guys out there. Hit like and subscribe for more videos, and see you guys next time. God bless.